Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 77 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build one of these yourselves, head over to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Pop. And you too can be building this 1/3 scale Partwork. Let's have a quick scoot through this week's magazine. You've got Super Crimes of the Future there. More from the animated world of ROBOCOP. Loads of different blurb and data files on all of that. This is our list of parts we've got, and we're basically going to be dressing up the upper arm. So we've got loads of screws going in, but we've also got little press covers and double-sided tape to apply to them to stop them pinging out. So we've got a bit of that going on. So there's a bit fiddly stage this week. Shows you exactly what we've got going on, what screws retain what on all the covers, and then what we're going to end up with at the end of it, which is all of these covers in place on the arm, all looking rather suave. Okay, so keep a note on the instructions there of all these numbers it's telling you around there. We've then got Do You Feel Connected? This is in the 100 Years of Robot section. Robot Assisted Surgery. This is kind of really incredible stuff where the surgeon might be the other side of the world, but he's directing a robotic arm that is doing arthroscopic surgery. Scary stuff, isn't it? Very Star Trek. So that's the magazine done. We're going to flick through and we're going to start getting all of these covers in place on this arm. Then we can go round at the end, putting all these little caps in, okay? So here's our arm from previous issue, as you can see. And you'll notice numbers here, 3, 4. And then you've got your covers at the top there. Okay, so let's get our covers. Number 4, obviously, is going to go where number 4 is. Number 3, which is that one, is going to go round on the front. And they're held in place with CM screws. So let's grab a couple of them and some oil. And we'll get all these covers put in place. Then we can come round and start dressing them up with our caps. So let's just pop that in. Like so. Start homing that. Let's lose that cover for a moment. And then we can grip that one. There you go. Let's grab that. A little bit of oil for you. Pop. And then do the same. Like so. Now we can put this cover on this side and start doing the same with her. Let's grab another screw. Put a little bit of oil on. Let that work its way down the thread. And then we can close that piece off in there. Like so. Another bit of oil. And again, I can always go in with a Q-tip and mop up any excess oil before I put the screw covers in. Like that. Spin that round, and then we can start putting in these little covers there. So it's actually that one I want. 2 more screws, like so. Pop that in there, and then we can feed that in that joint. Same again, a little bit more oil. Put that in there. just like so. Make sure all the little lugs are in, and then that just leaves me this little cover to go on there. Put that in situ. Screw that one in. Like that. And then one more screw. Just for the last one, which is up in there. Bingo. So that's those done. So you should now have your arm looking like so. Okay. We then press fit this centre boss in. Got a little semicircle cut out there. It's just a matter of lining that semicircle up and pressing that in, just like so. That dresses that. And then we come to our little covers now that go in over all these screws, folks, okay? And then last but no means least, we got this one. Grab that, get that in place. And slap you in there out of the way. Right, that's them done. Let's go around with a bit of extra thin. Bingo. Right, so that's that arm done. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be doing this very, very beautiful partwork. Until then, don't forget to help me out. Click little festakins in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it, folks. Whilst you're there, ring the bell and select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. Until then, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.